So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand universal serial bus controllers. You want to repeat this for every single USB root hub that you have. So you want to right click on USB root hub and then click on properties and then click on power management. It's going to be saying allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You want to untick this. You want to untick this box right here and then click on OK. You want to repeat that for every single USB root hub that you have. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to uninstall every single USB host controller that you have. So I've got 3 right here. I'm going to uninstall all of them. So I'm going to right click on one of my host controllers for the USB and then click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall again. You want to uninstall every single host controller that you have. Now after you uninstall all the host controllers, you just want to restart your computer. Once you come back into Windows, the USB host controllers will automatically be reinstalled again, and this should not fix your problem.